Documentary pitch by Georgia, Ella, Robin and Zara. Before coming to a final idea, we came up with some initial ideas. These included life in the army, dogs, primary schools, life in an airport, young drivers and Halloween. But after discussing all of these, we came to the decision of choosing phobias.
We decided that although the overall topic of the documentary will be phobias, in each episode a different fear will be covered. We will discuss the psychology and science behind how and why phobias form, as well as looking into the variety of treatments available. The documentary will also include interviews with sufferers and specialists to gain an insight into the disorder. We then began to discuss which channel our documentary could possibly be broadcast on, taking into account the mode and tone of the documentary. After looking into the BBC, ITV, Channel 5, etc., and the documentaries they've broadcast, we felt that Channel 4 would be the most suitable choice. For example, Obsessive Compulsive Cleaners, which looks into mental health and how OCD affects people's lives. We decided on choosing an expository and reflexive mode for our documentary. We're going to be exposing people's phobias and how they are formed, and we will also have a presenter in front of the camera introducing and asking questions throughout the documentary.
Our target audience for this documentary is broad. This is because a range of ages suffer from phobias. However, we will focus on young to middle-aged adults. Our documentary will take a quite serious tone, looking into the psychology and science behind phobias, as well as exploring if they can be cured.
So some location ideas that we had would be Thorpe Park, the O2 Arena, London Eye, Chessington World of Adventures, The Shard and Go Ape. We came up with these ideas because they're all really related with heights, and we would have someone experience one of these locations and film their reactions to it. The conventions and stylistic techniques that we were thinking of was having the presenter in front of the camera and also having some narration over the top of some clips that we're going to use, some interviews of experts and establishing shots as the location changes.